Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dan and 3. Today's question or episode comes from a viewer that requested to know why there are seasons in the Earth. So why there's spring, summer, fall, winter. And it has to do with the way that the Earth orbits the sun. So I'll get a little model here for everybody here. And I know it's a blue sun and we have a yellow sun, but we'll make the model work. So this is the sun, and the rays are coming out from the sun. And this is the Earth. Now, if it were perfectly equal to the equator portion of the Earth as it orbits the sun, it would be perfectly straight along our equator. However, there is about a 23-degree tilt in the Earth. So I know I'm going to exaggerate that quite a bit just to show the difference here, but there's a 23-degree tilt in the Earth's axis here. And so as the Earth orbits the sun, and comes around the sun and orbits on a yearly basis, that tilt stays the same. So that tilt is always the same. But in different parts of the orbit, you'll notice that the sunlight is going to be more concentrated into one area from a directness versus the other. So on this side of the orbit, we're going to be more in the northern hemisphere. It'd be wintertime because more of the sun is directed toward the southern hemisphere. But on the other side of the orbit over here, with that same spin, we would see that more of it's on the north and less on the south. So it would be winter in the southern hemisphere and summer in the northern hemisphere. And obviously, if you're halfway in between, it's going to be that kind of spot where you're halfway between the orbit of winter and summer here. You're going to see that there's more directness, and that's your spring and your fall. So hope that helped to illustrate a little bit of how the orbit affects and how the tilt of the Earth affects the different seasons and why we have seasons in that orbit. And hopefully that was entertaining and at least enjoyable for somebody. But please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on the next video. All right. Thanks, everyone.